Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make these double layer jhumkas. Materials required for this are quilling mold, quilling strips of 5 mm, quilling needle, brush, fevicol, acrylic color, 2 earring hooks, 2 jump rings, 2 flower caps, 4 small beads, 20 cm long ball chain and 4 eye pins. So let's get started. First of all, I am sticking 5 strips. Now I am going to make a tight coil using quilling needle. It's done. Now for the next coil I am going to stick 7 strips. Again I am going to make a tight coil. It is also done. Now using a quilling mold I am going to give them jhumka shape. In this way. Now I am going to apply fevicol on both the jhumkas so that it gets a shiny look and it gets settled well. Keep them for drying, and after it is dried completely I am applying acrylic color. It's optional. If you didn't want, you don't apply acrylic color, but it gives a shiny look, that's why I am applying. Keep them from drying, and after they are dried I am bordering with ball chain. After it is dried, I am going to attach them both. I am attaching eye pin with the flower cap. I am attaching it for the bigger jhumka, and for the smaller jhumka I am taking one eye pin and two small beads, inserting them in this way and inserting it in the jhumka, and from inside I am folding it upward in this way. It's done. Well, now we will attach the bigger jhumka with the smaller jhumka. In this way. See. It is done. Now I am taking one jump ring and taking one earring hook, inserting it in the bigger jhumka in this way. Similarly, I have made the another pair. Also, I have made one more pair using the color combination of yellow and red color. See. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.